So this is a quick tutorial to teach you how you can remove cricket sounds from your audio in your video. So take your video, drag it into DaVinci Resolve. In this case, I have two different video sources, one from my video camera and one from my iPhone. Now the video camera I have hooked up to a DJI Mic 2 with noise cancelling, and so on audio 1 is the DJI mic, and you can kind of hear a little bit of cricket noise, but that's not very bad. The noise cancelling seems to be working really well. If I switch over now to the iPhone, which is just recording straight from the iPhone, you can hear a really large cricket sound. It's overpowering everything. So how can we remove this cricket sound from our audio for free? Because yes, you could use a DJI Mic 2, but that's an expensive investment, and maybe you just have what you have, like the iPhone. So easiest way to do it, drag your video source into DaVinci Resolve, go over to Fairlight, and so now in Fairlight I have my two audio sources from the two different video sources. So an audio 1 is my DJI Mic 2, so you don't hear any cricket noise. And then in the audio 2, you do hear the cricket sound.
So you can kind of
again,
see
it's very
here.
So how can we remove that? So audio 2 is A2, and that was the iPhone with the cricket sound. So in this column here, there's an A2. You're going to click plus, you're going to go to EQ, and you're going to go to LowPass filter, and that'll pop this up. So we can hear the difference in noise. So again, I can start from anywhere, hit play, and now I'm going to drag this LowPass filter, and you're going to hear that cricket noise start to go away. So I found like around 1,000, 1,100 is where it's a good spot.
There's a little ridge.
And now the
Ridge on here.
audio source is still good. You can hear me talking, but at the same time, the cricket noise has been reduced dramatically. And you can hear back and forth with and without the low pass filter on. So you know the low pass filter is working. So I hope this helps. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe.